Welcome to the tutorial. Today I am going to talk about proxy chain. The goal of this tutorial series is to prevent hacking. Before preventing any hacking, you must know how hackers do things. The very first step of hacking is to hide yourself. Proxy chain is a very good method to hide your identity. Let's see how does it works. If we attack target computer without any hiding mechanism, target computer may log your identities such as IP address, MAC addresses, DNS, etc. With this information, you can get caught. In proxy chain mechanism, target computer assume that traffic is coming from proxy server, not from you. Let's see how to do it in Kali Linux. You need two software. One is Proxychain and another is Tor. It's usually pre-installed in Kali Linux. If it is not, let's install Tor first. Installation process is very simple. Open a terminal, type apt-get install Tor. Type yes and enter. It will take some time to finish installation. I am pausing video. Installation is complete. Now I am checking Tor service status. Service is okay. Press Ctrl C to exit from here. Now we need to configure proxy chains. To configure it, type nano etc/proxychain.com. Nano is a text editor. You can use any other text editor like VI or whatever you feel free to use. Here is your configuration file. It uses HTTP SOX4 SOX5 protocol. We will use SOX4 and SOX5 only for security reason. Uncomment dynamic chain. We are going to use dynamic chain because it automatically manages the proxy servers. Comment strict chains. Here is the example how to list proxy servers. First one is protocol, then proxy server IP address and port number. There is the username and password of that proxy server. We are not going to use those because it is only for example. Go to the end of this file, type SOX5 and loopback address. Type the default port number of Tor. It is 9050. Press Ctrl O to save and Ctrl X to exit. Before starting proxy chain, make sure all of your web browser is closed. Type this command proxychains firefox www.duckduckgo.com. DuckDuckGo.com is actually a search engine. Unlike Google, it never records your IP address or personal information. Press enter. It will open Firefox and it will show what it is doing. Finally, it works. Type DNS leak test. Click DNS leak test. It's taking time. It's showing my IP is this one and I am from Romania. I am assured that I am not from Romania. That means I am anonymous now. Click standard test. It will test further to find out my location. Just showing that my ISP is level 3 communication from Germany. I am assuring you again I am not from Germany. That means our proxy chain is working very fine and I am completely behind the proxy chain and hiding my identity. It is the end of first part of proxy chain tutorial. In the next part I will show you how to use custom proxy servers. So please subscribe to my channel to stay connected.